Hello there, Sam from 3D Design here. In this short tutorial I would like to show you how you can utilize the AVATARZ library even more. If you are not familiar with the Blender, which is by the way for free, don't worry, it is totally okay. I will give you step-by-step instructions how you can achieve certain changes and certain goals. As a first step, I would like to give you a little context. We created two avatars with different types of hairs, beards, sunglasses, facial expressions, types of eyebrows, types of noses, and clothes. You can easily change the colors, all of them. You can even change the pose of the avatars and customize them even more. Let's take a look at changing the colors. For an easier preview of the colors, I will change the viewport shading to rendered. I can do it here. I have different viewport shading options. I want to click on the render so I can see here the colors. As a next step, I will select the part of the body I want to change. For this purpose, I need to be sure that I am in the object mode. In our case, I want to change the color of the t-shirt, and here I need to be sure that I am in the editor type, which is properties. I'm going to material properties, and here I can see base color, which I can easily change. For example, let's say I want to make it blue or light blue, even lighter blue, and that's it. I changed the color of the t-shirt. If I want to render this, I'm going to render tab, render image, click on that, and it's automatically rendering. Okay, the picture is rendered. If I'm happy with that, I can go to the image and just click Save As, and I can save it wherever I want to. It created a PNG file, but if I'm not happy with that, I can easily change it here in the output properties, and I can choose different path. I can choose basically the output file format, which can be JPEG, which can be TIFF, or anything else you want to. And that's it. This is how easy it is to change and to render the avatar you want to. As a next step, let's take a look on our generator. It was created to make the customization even easier for you. For playing with that, I'm going to click on the generator, then I'm going to change the mode. I'm going to pose mode. Otherwise, I can change these elements, which will turn off and turn on the eyeglasses, shirts, hairs, expressions, and so on. So if I move it to the right, I will turn off the eyeglasses. If I turn this on to the left, I will turn on different types. It's that easy to change and to create new avatars. But to make it rendered, you need to do this little trick here. I'm going to create a new frame. I'm going to end the 300 element. By the way, this is the timeline, and we created basically different types of avatars. Every type of avatar is on different frame, which is easy for you to render all of them at once. But let's take a look back. What I need to be sure that I will not damage the previous one, because it's also creating animation out of these elements. So I'm going to move back. Oh, it was here, so I need to change it here. And again, the previous element I need to move and turn it off. And that's it. This is how you can play with hairs, eyeglasses, shirts. Okay guys, let's take a look on changing the pose. We created rig for the avatar. It means that it's super easy to change the pose. I'm going to change the tool to rotate. I'm going to click on the circle, and now I will just rotate in the direction what I want. Let's say I want to change the direction a little bit of the head, a little bit to the right, and that's it. It's that easy. If I want to change the direction of the body, I can do it. See, I changed the direction of the body. But you can do also, you can change the direction of the hand, also of the fingers, here and here. So you can do some pretty interesting stuff with this. And that's it. This is how easy it is to change the pose. In some cases, you want to have to change the lights. Maybe you need to have them intense or maybe in different colors. For that purpose, I can be in Animation tab. And here I see 4 different lights which we prepared for you. I will click, I will change the viewport shading so it will be faster for me to manipulate with Avatar. Okay, I have different lights here and I need to go again to the object mode. I will click on the light which I want to change, and here again in the object data properties I can change the color of the light. I can change it to blue, I can change the intense, and the light will be more intense. If I want to see how it will look like, I can change basically the viewport shading again. I can change this to the pink, and voila, this is how easy it is to change the light. I can change the size to make it more not that spread as it was. And that's it. This is how easy it is to change the lights. If for some reason you don't like this view, this render, you can change the camera also, and you can change the focal length, or if you want to, you can move the camera away or closer to make some details, which I think it can be pretty interesting to do in some designs. And that's it. This is how easy it is to manipulate with the avatars. I hope you like it. And if you want to get more information about AVATARZ library, please visit avatars.design page. And also we created different 3D libraries that can be handy for you for your designs, products, marketing purposes, or wherever you want to use it, you can. Be sure that you visit 3D.design. Have a great day and stay creative. Sam from 3D.design.